told a person the other day, I said, I never was glad to see such a bald-headed guy right there beside me.
Yeah, only on 3. It's all laughs now, but a Marion, Arkansas father is thankful tonight after his son helped rescue him out of rushing water. The son, along with officers, forming a human chain.
Yeah, arm in arm, allowing them to get Dad to safety. WRG's Bryant Didlake is live in Marion with this amazing story of survival, and we're happy you get to tell it here, Brian.
Yeah, we're happy to tell it too. An amazing story of survival, as you said, Greg and Stephanie. 81-year-old Jerry Webb says it was raining hard when he was coming home a Thursday night. Just as he was turning into a subdivision, he accidentally drove into a ditch.
But in that flood just took it right through those 2 tunnels. I could hear it hitting on my car. And I'm like, what the hell is that?
Water rushing in. Jerry Webb says it all happened in an instant after he accidentally ran off the road Thursday night in Marion, Arkansas. The 20-foot ditch near his home flooded. The current taking him and his vehicle with him. WRG crews there as the vehicle was pulled out of the water.
I'm hysterical, I'm sure, because I thought this is it, because I got no way out of this place.
Webb says he doesn't remember it, but he somehow managed to get to his cell phone to call his son for help. Marion police also responding to the scene in a matter of minutes.
If it didn't go the way it did, he was very lucky. Those minutes really counted for us to get there and be able to retrieve him.
Marion police sending this diagram showing where Webb careened off L.H. Polk Road near the Marion Animal Shelter. Officers say when they arrived, Webb's son was already in the water trying to get to his father.
Nobody knew where he was at, and I didn't see car lights, and so I just jumped in the water and started diving down trying to find him because I thought he was in the water.
His father had somehow managed to escape the car and was clinging to a tree.
As they were trying to get him back over, Major Laws, Corporal Fahey and Sergeant DeShields actually ended up having to make a human chain from the bank out to the water to assist them in getting him over to the land.
It's already day 1 since this accident happened. You know, what are you feeling right now, and how's your recovery going after all of this? I mean, what's next for you?
If it ever quits raining, I'm going to go play golf at the golf course right across the street.
The father was treated and discharged from the hospital for taking in all that water. Right now, both father and son say,
Just thankful he's here, and I love you. Yo, I love you too.
And now the vehicle, of course, is a total loss, but as you saw, the family is just happy that they can spend a little bit more time together. We're live in Marion. Bryant Didlake for your news leader, WREG News Channel 3.
Jerry, looks no worse for the wear. That father-son bond tighter than ever now. Brian, thanks.